To start this game, okay pa naman yung birada ng Magnolia, opening it on a 5-0 scoring, pero their defense was exposed by guards ng SMB. They are giving too much space para makapag-operate and magawa ni Perez yung strength niya, which opens up Chris Ross tapos extra pa sa corner for the 3-point shot ni Marcio Lassiter. Magiging deadly kasi yung SMB kapag pumutok sa labas eh. Kasi ibig sabihin, merong enough space si Junmar sa loob. Dito nga, siya pa yung nakakuha ng rebound kahit pwede na siyang isil ni Lapot, pero he doesn't want to. Ayaw ni Lapot na parang i-bump si Abay eh, no? So ayun, and one pa. So sobrang focus ni Jerome to man in the paint. Paano yung shooter? Tsaka hindi niya na dapat trabaho yan eh. With that, another 3-point shot for Marcio Lassiter. With that, uminit yung SMB. Tsaka nagkakaroon ng transition game si Perez, which bakit hinahayaan ng Magnolia ito. For me kasi, yung Magnolia parang bagong team sa PBA. Tsaka test din itong SMB for them eh. They are young, nagbibuild ng chemistry sa mga future ng franchise, pero something is off sa perimeter defense ng mga young guys. Unlike before with Halalon and Baroka. Pero we need to embrace this na ito na talaga yung new chapter for them. Kasi tingnan nyo to, bakit nagja-jogging yung Magnolia Hotshots? Kahit yung SMB, merong player that can explode sa transition. Kaya galit na galit si Coach LA dyan sa timeout eh. A solid opening for SMB kasi parang ang dali lang sa kanila maka-attack from the perimeter. Dahil sa pagiging maluwag ng Magnolia, na-take advantage ito ni Don Trollano sa second quarter kung saan parang nagkaroon siya ng takeover mode. He's not afraid to go all the way. Basta every chance na meron siya, pasok lang ng pasok. 51-40, halftime for SMB. But in the second half, nag-change gears yung Magnolia. Sila naman ngayon yung naka-attack mode, which naging good result for them. And pinago rin nila yung kanilang defensive schemes. Unlike nung first half, mas naka-man up sila na kaysa pinapadaan lang nila. Naging dikit yung laban at bibigyan tayo ng malupit na ender. Sa endgame, Magnolia had the control to finish this off. 6-point lead from the bank shot of Xavier Lucero. Pero yung transition game nga ni Perez is hindi nila ma-take care as the Predator goes all the way for 2 points. Tapos nakabalik din si Don Trollano, which matagal yung kanyang entry ulit. Pero perfect timing kasi he did the clean up job para maibaba sa isa yung lamang ng Magnolia. And then the next possession, siya talaga yung option to take the shot. And grabe, sa 4 points pa binitawan. And a 3-point lead sa SMB ng ganun-ganun lang. Grabe talaga yung epekto ng 4 points eh, no? Then, pagdating sa Magnolia, okay naman yung execution nila, good rotation of the ball, libre yung Lucero sa labas to tie, pero mintes lang, and fouled out si Baroka. So, Paul Lee is in. And nung may opportunity siya, pinukol niya na sa labas, and niluwa pa ng ring. Sayang yon. Pero si Crisco naman, nakapukol sa 4 points para may baba yung lamang. Then, one last chance for Magnolia after the missed free throws of Perez. 2-point game, rebound by Paul Lee, and yung tendency niya talaga is titira talaga sa labas eh. With that, predict ni Marcio Lassiter yung kanyang movement and nahirapan si Paul Lee to operate a shot. Emergency pass to Lastimosa pero not enough time to put up a good shot. So GG, SMB win 94-92.